I'm going to show you how you can create an account on Character.ai completely for free. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So all you need to do is go to this URL right here, Character.ai, and once you are here, you need to click on continue with Google, Apple, or using your email. In my case, I'm going to continue with Google. And after that, just select the Google account you want to use. So continue and give it the right permissions, and after that it will ask you for your birthday. So this birthday won't be displayed publicly, and you don't really need to put your real information if you don't want to. So continue, and if you want you can select your interests. So there are a lot of different characters you can choose. So let's say you are interested in role playing, you can choose, for example, I don't know, fantasy, or you can also choose friendship or personal growth, or whatever you want. Click next, and now this will bring you to Character.ai main page. So once you are here, you can create your character, create your voice, or chat with already made characters. So as you probably know, there are thousands and thousands of characters, and you can talk with them completely for free. So you can see a theme from Adventure Times right there. If you want to have a black boyfriend, uh, I don't know, you can do a lot of different things right here. And that's it. That's how you can create an account on Character.ai completely for free. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.